Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these products with you today because one of them was sent in by Lupe, one of our club members. And so, yay, she's going to get one for free. But it's really exciting and it's fun and it's like a gatefold kind of thingy and it's really cool. We're also releasing new A2 envelope liners, perfect for wintertime, and our second to last ever wax seal. It was so cute. Miller saw some of these and he's like, oh, sealing wax. And I'm like, close. I call them wax seals, but you can call them sealing wax. I love that. And this one, are you ready, is the reindeer. So you'll get a better picture of it in the video, but I'm going to open it up because, hello, this one's mine. I'm taking it. I need it now. And it has a red handle, which is so fun. Now, if you don't have any of the wax seals, the wax sticks, we have them on our website, but get them quickly because we are slowly retiring all of those colors. So once they're gone, they're gone. The best part about them though is they go in a regular glue gun. So easy, so easy. So the reindeer's so cute. Go check them out. Now, let's look at the envelope because the envelope liner, this is an envelope liner that will line the envelopes, not only the ones in your card kits that you get every month for the card kit club members, but also the envelopes that we have the envelope die on our website, and you can buy just the envelopes on our website as well. So it has the cute little, oh, look how cute. You can even add, so the holly in the background is in this die. So what it is you're getting the die, the big die itself that goes on the inside, right? Then you're getting 3 optional add-ons. Now, if you don't want to do the add-ons, you don't have to. You can use just the liner. But this one says Warm Wishes, which is so fun. This one is cute because it has just the snowflakes cut out. Here's one with the holly leaves and berries cut out. Here's another Warm Wishes. Here is the holly. I can't wait to show you the cards. Stay tuned. Hang on. Here's that Warm Wishes. Now, you might say, Stephanie, why didn't you design it so it goes all the way up to the top? Well, I can't because that's where you lick the sticky stuff to stick it down, right? But when they open it, look how cute that is. Isn't that sweet? Now, if you have any of our other A2 envelope liner dies, all of those as well will go in here, okay? All of those as well will go in here so they can all mix and match, okay? Here's another cute one with the snowflakes. Ooh, here's a cute one. Adding those little holly leaves and berries in there with those little swirls. Warm Wishes. Ooh, and here is one with silver foil on the inside. And look at the front. You can even do it on the front as well. Isn't that fun? Now, let me show you. I'm so excited about this one. So Lupe sent this one in. And let me just tell you, it is large and in charge. It is called the Gatefold Pop-Out. It has all of these dies. Now, do not be overwhelmed with those dies. I don't want you to be overwhelmed with those. Comes with the word thanks and friend. So you can say thanks friend, or you can just say friend, or you can just say thanks. Comes with a whole bunch of extra pieces, layering dies. Don't even worry about those, right? The most important die is going to die cut this. It's going to run through your regular die cut machine, 6-inch machine or larger, and it's going to die cut this. And you're going to say, whoa, Nelly, what am I supposed to do with this? Well, let me show you how easy it is to fold. And the best part about all of our folds, all of our card folds, if you accidentally fold it the wrong way, like you make a mountain instead of a valley, you just fold it again. It's not a big deal. So I have not even practiced this one on purpose because I want to make sure that I can show it to you on camera. So here it is. The die cuts it and scores it for you. And so here I have a score line. I am going to make a valley there and a valley here, right? So I have 2 valleys right there. Now that's going to make that pop up. Oh gosh, it's doing it itself. It's honestly doing it itself. And I'm going to press down. Now, the cool thing about this, you guys, is I didn't give my design team any ideas about this. I like to see what they're going to do with it because they always do more than what I expected. So here it is. This is how I anticipated it opening. Opening up like this, and look at that. Isn't that awesome? And then it's going to stand just like, whoa, it does stand, trust me. Now I'm going to do it wrong. There we go, it stands. Okay, now let's look at how the design team did it. Now remember, I'm calling this a gatefold. So here is one example. Ready? Open it up. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It pops out. Look at that. Now, on the back, you can even put your message, winter greetings. You have all of the back to decorate as well. But look at how stunning that is. And now I'm like trying to get it. There we go. There we go. I got to figure out the right way. But look how cute that is. It pops out. It almost hits you in the head, right? Now, you could do it that way, right? So it folds like that and it opens like that, okay? Or you can do it this way where those little layering pieces are out there and they can go out like this, right? So it's a little different. See, oh, it's kind of hard to see. See how it's a little different? So you get to decide. I personally push those to the back and have it go like this. I like it that way. I think that is the most wow factor. But you can do this any way you want. You can pop those out this way, pop this one in this way, and you can go like this, ready? And have it be more of a surprise, ready? Open it. So, or actually you can even go like this. Watch this. You can put them all on the inside. I think I had it done before. Okay. Oh, well, kind of, not really. So it could be like more of a Z fold. You get to decide, but let's put this one back. Let's do it this way. This is the way Dina did it originally. And we had it open like this, where you can open it like that. So I like it with these back. This is how I thought about it. Ready? Ta-da. Ta-da. See, because then it doesn't move. The middle doesn't move. Isn't that cool how the middle doesn't move? It like just stays right there. It's like it's floating almost, right? So let's look at some more. So I had, Lupe sent me the idea. I turned it into my own because I wanted it to be A2, of course. Look how cute that is. Smile, smile. Isn't that cute? The bear, but look, the little bear's not moving. Isn't that cool? Look, watch. Ah, ah. It's like magic, huh? Here's another cute one with this little guy. Ready? Ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! I just love how it like doesn't move. It's like magic. So, my friends, go check that one out. Just a heads up. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. Boom, they're on flash sale. Now, I know some of you are saying, Stephanie, you really didn't show us how to do this. Okay, you're going to just fold it any which way you want. And now you're going to use all the extra dies I gave you to decorate. You have at least 2 layering dies for every single section. So you're going to layer any as much or as little as you want. Here's one that has thanks friend. These hearts come with it. Thanks and friend come with it. All the extra hearts, all the little extra greenery that you see all come with it. And then you're going to get that. Wah! I know, isn't that cool? So my friends, run to the website. Do not walk because they are on flash sale 24 hours or until sold out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.